I just got my book in the mail from Dorrance Publishing. So we are going to open it. I have waited a long time to get this in my hands. Tracking every second.
Look at that.
Wow. Look at that. It's a big book. See, it's got me on the back.
Yay.
Oh my. I am so excited. This has been a long time coming. Very long time coming. And I want to thank the ladies that inspired me to follow my dreams in writing this book, because I wasn't going to, and they pushed me, and for their contributions to this book. It means a lot to me. This was a hard effort, and a lot of work has went into this, and I really hope it inspires a lot of people, and I'm very proud of it, and I hope you are too. So I will let you know where you can get your book and when, and thanks guys, thanks for everything. Bye.